Hello everyone, DayTradeToWin.com. My name is John Paul, and what you're seeing on this chart is how most traders use indicators and they try to understand the market. Now to me this is a problem because it's not clear what's happening. How do you make decisions looking at a chart like this? Should you buy? Should you sell? Should you stay out of the market? What are the market conditions telling you? So this is a huge issue for most traders. When I receive emails and charts like this, I always ask, do you know what to do? And is it clear with rules and how to use this type of information? So to me, this is a big mess. It's almost like a circus with all the lines and colors and things. The less you have on your chart, the better. And the focus should always be on price action and really taking away the optimization part of it, which I don't really talk about enough, but optimizing indicators to curve fit your chart data is also a problem because it'll never work into the future. So let's declutter the charts. Let's focus on simple objective methods that allow you to understand what to do, why you're doing it. So let's declutter the chart, focus on simple objective methods, and let me show you how a few strategies that I look at every day to understand, should I buy, should I sell, and this is how my traders look at the market. First, let me show you scalping. So let me take all these things here off the chart. Let me just focus on a very simple method on scalping the markets for small targets and again with small stops. All I'm going to do here is add the Trade Scalper software, proprietary software available at DayTradeToWin.com. And there's nothing here that you have to configure. There's no optimization. There's no values. We include training with this along with a training video on the member site. And now we have very specific entries to go long or to go short. And it's very clear on the candle, the pricing. Now, the only other tool that I'd like to add, actually two tools, would be the ATR and the bar timer. So these are the only two additional indicators or tools, as I like to call them, to tell me the current conditions. I use the ATR for everything. 3.5 points. So the market's pretty volatile currently. So a trade that either gives you a long or short position would be about 3.5 point target. So this is based on rules and it's objective, and there's no curve fitting data with optimization. So this is the Trade Scalper. Now, if you are not into scalping, or if you want to add something to the chart, there's something else that you could do. We have the Atlas Line software. So if I either remove the Trade Scalper and I add just the Atlas Line software, and the Atlas Line software is available at DayTradeToWin, again, proprietary. Now it tells me based on this blue dashed line, I made it dashed and I made it blue, but you can make it whatever color you want. It tells me to go long at 43.09. And the prior signal was short, 42.8950. Again, very simple. There's no curve fitting data, and it tells me buy or sell due to price action. Now lastly, if I take this off the chart and I show you the roadmap is only available in mentorship. It starts next week, the mentorship program. We include all the software in mentorship, and the links to attend are found below in the description or by visiting DayTradeToWin.com, or you can always call us if you have any questions on joining the mentorship program, which is 8 weeks. It's live instruction, all courses and software, lifetime licenses. So if I add here the roadmap, and the roadmap is a unique software which, if you've seen some of the videos, focuses on first filtering out trades and then providing signals to go long or to go short. So as an example, right here at 11 o'clock New York time, as the market was going down, once it lands in the shaded area, it's indicating be careful, the market may reverse. And the same thing here, the market may reverse, and it did in fact reverse. And the same thing when it lands here in this zone, the market started to go sideways, almost indicating that there's a profit-taking event occurring. Doesn't usually last for that long, but at least for the moment, be careful. So here we are right now. There's nothing stopping me for a long or short trade except for this value here at about 43.26. So at 43.26 on the E-mini S&P, be careful, watch out. the market may land in this zone and immediately turn around and reverse. So this software is unique because it offers a lot of different ideas, filtering, signals, opportunities. There's another opportunity that we use with the roadmap, which is when the market is more volatile, it breaks and goes from zone to zone. So in this example here, if the ATR is high, we can take a trade after it breaks, obviously, the zone, and take it to the next level because it's almost like a magnet. The same thing here. When it broke here, it goes to the next zone, almost like a magnet, a quick entry and a quick exit. So there's a few ways that you can use this software, but the idea behind it is that we're not looking at 30 different things. It's very clear. So again, let's keep it simple. Let's not look at 1,000 different conventional indicators to be buyers or to be sellers. Instead, let's focus on price action. Price action is very important, and that's what we focus on at DayTradeToWin.com. I'll see everybody at the next video. Email or contact us if you have any questions before joining up. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye now. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.